Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, I told in last class that we will be having quiz first of all, then we will go for that. Okay. Chalo. 1 second. Still people are joining. Let me create the link by the time. So quizzes.com. Yes, everyone join the link. Make it fast. Quick. Only 10 minutes of time to write the quiz. Only 10 minutes. After that, we will discuss the questions. Everyone join the class. Everyone join the test.
So did you start the quiz?
No, but actually only 13 members have joined, so only 12 members. Just wait,
Only 7 members have joined.
13 members. Okay, so I will start the quiz. 1 second. Let me just write their names. Yes. Who else didn't join? Modita. Who else? Can you please tell their names? Pranav. Who else didn't join? Can you please tell their names?
Sir Jivika,
Jivika. Sai Ramachandra. And who else? Mohit. Mohit is the right?
no sir, he is not there.
Okay. Jivika is joining, so no problem. Everyone join the link, please. I'm going to start the quiz. Please, everyone join the link. We are going to start the quiz.
Hello, sir. Sir, I'm sorry. I was late because of traveling, sir.
Okay, no problem. Yes, we'll start the class. Okay, you want me to resend the link?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I sent everyone. Please join me quickly. I'm starting the quiz. Only 10 of you have joined. What about others? 14 members has to join, right? Total 14 should be there. Who else? 3 members? Two more. Two more members. Harini? Yes, she is there. Okay. One more guy has to join. Please do join the quiz. I'm starting. Okay. Everyone, guys, 20 questions. Everyone should finish in 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes. Don't waste much time. If you don't know anything, please leave that immediately. Pranav, join the quiz immediately. I sent you the link. Don't waste time. Join it quickly. Pranav.
Sir, for some reason, when I'm selecting, it's selecting the wrong thing.
No problem. Leave that kind of question. Go for the next question. Don't waste much time. Go for the next question. Leave it. Yes, time up. I just winded up the quiz. So first Piyush, second Ananya. 1 second. Bhargav third, and Harini fourth. Good, very good, Harini. Pranav fifth. Okay. Okay, so how was the paper?
So all were formulas, sir, mostly. Only 2-3 questions were
No, we will
problems.
we will discuss that. We will discuss that one by one.
Sir, it was time taking, sir, because I don't have any pen and paper, so I had to do
You
it
don't
only.
have,
Yes, sir.
oh my goodness. You don't have pen and paper, then how come you write math test without pen and paper, man? Huh? Without pen and paper, how come you write math test? Piyush Goel. बताओ.
Sir, I'm not Piyush Goyal, sir. I'm Piyush Sahu.
मैं बता रहा हूँ.
Sir, sir, I'm traveling, right? So
You are in travel.
I'm not having it, sir.
You are in traveling.
That's it.
Okay, chalo. So formula for calculating total surface area of the cuboid. 2 into LB plus BH plus H. ये लड्डू वाला सवाल है. Next question. Any doubts in the first question, guys? Oh my goodness.
No
LB
doubt,
plus
sir.
BH plus HL or LH. Many of you have given LB plus BL plus. Guys, look at this here. Many of you, 5 members have written that. Please go through your mistakes, Kalla. So formula for curved surface area of the cylinder, 2 pi RH, not 2 pi r square h.
Yes, sir.
Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 times of pi RH. Okay. So formula for curved surface area of the cone, pi RL, cone, pi RL. We just derived that by taking L, slant area, isn't it? Pi RL, curved surface area of the cone. Now slant height of the edge is what? Square root of r square plus h square here. Many of you wrote
R square
r
plus
plus
H.
h. How come r plus h, beta? Who wrote r plus h? Huh? And r square plus h square. Square root of is rule. So by taking Pythagoras theorem, we have derived that. Okay, very simple. Next, any doubts? Any doubts? Only simple formulas only. Okay. Formula for calculating the total surface area of the cone. Total surface area is what? Pi RL plus pi r square. Pi RL plus curved surface area plus the bottom of that. Isn't it? Curved surface area plus bottom of that. Children, are you able to understand here? Curved surface area as well as the bottom, how the bottom part of the cone looks like? Circle. So pi RL plus pi r square. So if you expand that, so you will get pi RL plus pi r square. So option A is correct here. Hope it is clear. Are you all able to see the screen? Just we can discuss with, without pen and paper we can discuss actually. Yes or no? Chalo, next question. Formula for volume of the cone, 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. Hope it is clear. 1/3 pi r square h. Many of you wrote 1/2. 2 members wrote 1/2. No, 1/3 pi r square h. Where many of you wrote 1/8 members have written that. Okay, what is the formula for calculating volume of hemisphere? Volume of hemisphere, but out 2/3. In that sphere, half part. Sphere is what? 4/3 pi r cube. But here hemisphere is talking about
Yes,
half
sir.
of that, isn't it? So 2/3 pi r cube. Okay, now look at this here. A plastic box 5 centimeter long, 4 meter width, and 3 meter depth, deep, is to be made. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet requiring for making the box. Look at this here, 5 meter long, okay, 4 meter wide, and 2 meter, so 3 meter deep, which means what is the length is, what is the length here? 5 meters. Guys, what is the length here? Tell me.
The 5-meter length.
What is the
meter
breadth here? What is the breadth here?
5 meters, sir.
Length is 5 meters. What is breadth
4
here?
meters.
4 meters. What is the height here? Deep, which means 3 meters.
3 meters.
So what is the formula we can use it here? What formula we can use here? Batao, jaldi se. 1 second, let me just
The
write this.
total surface area formula.
Total surface area of
Cuboid.
cuboid. Dekho, what are the things I have available here? L into B into, so L B H. Okay. So what is the total surface area of the cuboid? Batao, what is the total surface area of the cuboid? देखो
Sir, it is going to be 94.
this is L, this is B, this is H. Can't you substitute that? So ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine the area of the sheet. How many of you got this, beta? How many of you got this? 20 plus.
I was
Sir, I got it.
Going to God.
Okay, very good. देखो, look at this here. 2 times of LB. So 2 times of 5 into 4 plus 4 into 3 plus 3 into 5. ठीक है? So if you just go with this, 2 into 20 plus 12 plus 15. How much you get? So 35, 47. 47 into 2. 94. ठीक है? 94 what? Meter. 94 meter. What is the option we have? 94 square meter here. All right. Any doubts? Yes. So next question. A cubical box has a cubical cube. Is talking about cube here. Cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter. Another cuboidal box 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide, and 8 centimeter height. Which box has greater lateral surface area here? Lateral surface area is nothing but what? You need to find lateral surface area of the cube and lateral surface area of the batao. Which is going to be has? Which box is going to has more lateral surface area? Great. Lateral surface area is nothing but what? What is lateral surface area? Top excluding top and bottom. Whatever the side parts you have, that is comes under what? Lateral surface area. So what is the lateral surface area of the cuboid?
So 4a square or 400 centimeter square.
What is the formula for lateral surface area of the cuboidal? Wait. Don't tell. I'll ask individually. I'll ask.
Sir, 2HL plus V, sir.
Hey, wait, man. Wait. I would like to ask individually, please. If you use the formula, you will get that. All right. How many of you got this? 7 members have got. 6 members have got wrong. He's asking for cuboidal or cubical. अरे भाई देखो.
Sir, here is there any method to do it apart from calculating?
Sorry.
Is there any way to find it out which one is going to be greater, like without calculating?
10. देखो. What is a cube? What is the lateral surface area of the cube? Hello.
Sir, it's 4A square.
1 minute. 1 second, children. Yes. Yes. So 4a square. 4 into 10 square. Common sense. देखो क्या होता है? 4 into a square. 400. Isn't it? Let me write here, guys. If you are.
Yes, sir.
Let me write. Many of you made a mistake, so let us write this. Everyone should look at this. Yes. Cubical box, right? Cubical box. How the cube will be? This is how the cube will be, isn't it? This is how the cube will be. If you draw that. Okay. So this has how much? How much?
Sir,
10.
it's 8 centimeter high, 8 centimeter. For this cube or cube, sir? Cube is 10 centimeter.
For cube it has given 10. For another cuboidal box, this is the length. Okay. Let me write here itself. This is my length here. This is my breadth here, B value. This is my height, right? H value. Okay. So 4a square. If I use the formula for this 4a square, what is it going to be? 4 into each side is 10, right? So 4a square, a
Yes, sir.
square. So 400. 400 what? Centimeter square. Centimeter, right? Now, what is the lateral surface area of cuboid? Of course, देखो बेटा, आपको ये समझ में आएगा, देखो, हाँ, lateral surface area of the cubical box will be definitely more than lateral surface area of the cuboidal. ऐसा कैसा बता रहे हैं हम लोग? How you are saying that? How you are saying that? Lateral surface area of the like cuboidal is what? What is the lateral surface area of the cuboid? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it's 2HL plus
2 times of
H. L
BH
plus
plus
B.
HL, isn't it? 2 times
Yes,
of
sir. 2HL plus B.
2HL plus B. This also can be written as 2HL plus B. 2 times of H, L plus B. So 2 into 8, L. How much L? 12.5. 12.5 plus 22.5. So how much? 16. 16
Yes,
into
sir.
22 by 225 by 10. 2 5s 2 8s. देखो if you calculate roundly बेटा ये 400 400 आ रहा है. ये देखो 225 into 8. How much? Around 1600 you are getting.
45 into 8, sir.
Huh?
So there will be 45 into 8.
Whatever. 45 into 8. So 45 into, so 5 ones, 5 fours, 5 5. So 45 into 8 how much? 45 twos 90. So 45 twos 90. So 180. So 360.
360, sir.
360. Okay.
Yes, sir.
तो देखो कौन सा ग्रेटर है इधर, देखो which one is greater? This one. आपको this is going to be greater here. आपको समझ में आ रहा
Yes,
है
sir.
बेटा? बेटा अपने थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस लगा
Yes,
के
sir.
बोल
Like
सकते हो.
so the
Look at this here. The value is 10 here. इधर
Okay, sir.
multiply कर रहा है. We are just multiplying here. Common sense लगाओ इधर. इधर plus है. छोटी छोटी value just multiplication 2 only we have. Of course, it will be like that only. समझ में आ रहा है आपको? आया समझ?
yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next question. Conical tent is 10 meter height and the radius of this base. What is the slant height? अरे यार मुंह से बता सकते हो, लेकिन mind calculation. What is slant height? What is slant height? L is equal to
Root of R square plus H square.
root of, so 10 square 100. 100 plus, देखो 1 second. आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो इधर लिखेंगे. Many of you made a mistake. Guys, see here, only formula based questions. Only formula based questions. Tomorrow we'll be solving all difficult questions in tomorrow's class. देखो.
Sir, I have the same chapter for my maths exam, PT test.
Okay, then prepare well. Ask the doubts. Okay, slant height. L is equal to what square root
Yes,
of
sir.
height square plus radius square. So L is equal to what? Height square how much? 10 square मतलब 100. Radius is what? 24. 24 square how much beta? 576.
76.
So 676. 676 is nothing but what?
Sir, 26, I guess. Yeah, 26.
26 into 26. बताओ 26. 6 is a
Sir,
36.
so tent. Sir, so tent is a cone, right?
Yes. देखो हाँ देखो कोनिकल टेंट टेंट है बेटा वो टेंट टेंट मतलब हमारे मैरिज
Yes, I know tent. Yeah, I know tent.
yeah, that is what conical shape లో ఉంటుంది టెంట్ ఇలా టెంట్ ఇలా ఉందన్నమాట. the tent is in the shape of like this and the height of the tent is 10 meters he has given like that.
Okay, sir. And then base is 24 meter. We have to
Base.
just half the base.
But we have done, look at this here. One second, let me just create a space here. What is the radius here? This is a base. Base is nothing but what? This part. What
Circle.
we need? What we need? What?
Length.
Length.
Slant height.
Slant height. So we need what? Length. So if you do, so what you are getting? 26 into 26. How much? 26 into
So
26.
isn't it half of 24? Base is 24, right? So it would be half of 24.
Sorry.
So the entire base is 24 centimeters, and we only need half of it, one half, right?
हाँ.
So 1/2
अच्छा, we
will be
need
12.
radius here. We need radius. Then 12 only radius.
Yeah,
Then
yeah.
2, 3, 3.
Yeah, sir. That only my doubt was.
100 plus 144. Then
Sir,
344.
radius only it's given as 20.
By
Sir, it's given as
अच्छा, radius of its base.
radius only it's given as 20.
Radius only had given. Sujay, देखो, Sujay ఇక్కడ చూడు, what radius ఇచ్చాడు ఇక్కడ.
Yeah, sir. That only my doubt was why you were calculating like that.
No. If he is not giving radius, then we can take half of this. Clearly, what చూడు ఇక్కడ radius and mention చేశాడు, then you can't take that. So 576. అవునా? So 676 అంటే 26. Square root of 676 is 26. Yes. 25 into 25, 625. Yes. 26 is 676 only. Pakka. This is how we need to calculate. Surface area of the sphere of the diameter. Surface area of the sphere. Surface. What is the surface area of the sphere? What is the formula?
So 2 by 3 pi r cube.
No.
Sir, 4 pi r square.
Why? Look at it. 4 pi r square. Very good. Look at this. Diameter how much given? Surface area of the sphere 4 times of pi times of r square. 4 pi r square. Let us write like this as 4 pi r square. What is radius? Diameter is what? 2 times of r is equal to 14. What is r? 7. So substitute here 4 into 22 by 7 into r is what? R is what? 7. So 7 into 7. So 7 will get cancelled. So what would you get? Look at this. You need not to multiply entire. Whenever you are writing a MCQ test, need not to multiple all the things here. So 88, right? 22 into 4, 88 into 7. 8 7 almost 56. So unit digit should be 6. Oh, I think all options are 6. So you need to multiply only. So 666, 660 is the answer. ठीक है? Clear? Yes or no, बेटा? आपको समझ आ रहा है? Almost it is, look at this, you can calculate like this. It is almost close to 90. All right, 90 into 7, 630. It will be close to 630. Which option is closer to 630 here? 616 is a closer. So option D is correct here. You can solve it like that. If you don't want to calculate on the pen and paper, Piyush, you are in traveling, right? You are saying that whenever you are, this type, whenever you are in the kind of situation, see, you take the nearest number to this 90. Let us take into 7. 97 how much? 630. 9 7. So what is the nearest number to 630? 616 is the answer. Like that you can calculate. Okay, wow.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. That is not the way of correct, but choosing, that is the right way of choosing option. You can choose like that. Sorry? Okay, now? Fine. Chalo, next question. Volume of right circular cone with a radius 3 centimeters and height. What is the volume of the cone? What is the volume of the cone?
1 by 3 pi r
1 by 3 pi r
square h.
1 by 3 pi r square h. We have to include h as well. So 1 by 3 pi 22 by 7. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Formula. So r, what is r here? Radius 3 into h. What is h here? 35 by 10. 3.5 can be written as what? 35 by 10. Now calculate this. How can you calculate? 3 will get cancelled here. So 7 1s are 7 5s. Okay. 2 5s. 2 5s 10. 2 11s. 5 will get cancelled. So 33 is going to be your answer. Okay, now 33. Look at it. 33 square centimeters. Right? 33 square centimeters. Any doubts here? Any doubts? Any doubts? Beta, make it
No
fast.
doubt, sir.
No, sir.
So, next question. So the total surface area of the hemisphere is 10 centimeters. When total surface area of the hemisphere of radius this much. Total surface area of the hemisphere is what? Hemisphere, not sphere. Total surface area of the hemisphere is what?
So 3 pi r square.
Okay, this 1 second. Total surface area. Okay, he's not asking only surface area. He's asking for total surface area. So 2 pi r हाँ बताओ. So pi r square plus, so 3 times of pi r square. So 3 times of pi r square, which is nothing but what it gives you, 3 into 22 by 7 into radius 10 into 10. So how much you get, beta? So he is asking us to use 3.14. Mention, especially is mentioning. Then in this kind of things, you have to mention 3.14 only. So how much? So 100, right? 100, 300 into 3.14. So it should be 900 something. So 900, that is the only B option. It is available only in the B option. So B option is the right answer here. Okay. Tell me which option is going to be correct here. See, answer should be 900
542
plus.
centimeters.
Look at this here, 300 into 3, which means 900 plus should be the answer. 900 plus. Need not to calculate accurately, boys. 300 into 3, how much? 900, which is option. Option B is correct. Like that only you need to calculate. Don't calculate entirely. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? This is how you need to write the competitive exam.
Yes, sir.
This is how you need 900 plus. Need not to calculate. Okay, option B is correct here. Next. अंदर कर दम होता. Are you guys here? Are you able to understand? जीविका जी आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes,
अदिति,
sir.
अदिति, जीविका, आदित्य,
Yes.
आ रहा है समझ में बेटा? देखो मैंने कैसा पूरा कैलकुलेट करने का जरूरत नहीं है वहां पे, ठीक है? थोड़ा कॉमन सेंस लगाएंगे तो आंसर मिल जाएगा, ठीक है? हाँ, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फीयर हुज सरफेस एरिया इज दैट मच. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फीयर इज व्हाट? वॉल्यूम ऑफ द स्फीयर इज व्हाट? 4/3. whose surface area given? हाँ बताओ मुझे. What, how can we do this? देखो, let me just copy this. What is the surface area of the sphere? What is the surface area of the sphere? Surface area of the sphere.
Sir,
is
4
what?
pi r square.
Surface area of the sphere. Okay, not cylinder. So volume of sphere is asking. What is the volume of the sphere? Don't say, wait, let me ask. Shreyan will give the answer. Shreyan.
Yes, sir.
చెప్పు బాబు. చెక్ చేసుకోవాలా? చెక్ చేసుకుంటావా నోట్బుక్?
Check just a cube, sir. A cube 150. Surface area is 154,
Hey,
sir.
how
So,
come
sir,
A
one
cube,
minute.
man?
నేను చెప్తున్నా ఆగండి సార్ ఒక్క నిమిషం. Surface area is equal to 154, sir. Surface area means total surface area. So 6a square is equal to 154 centimeters. Sir, a square is equal to 154 by 2. Sorry, by 6.
మాట్లాడుతున్నావు బాబు? ఏ స్క్వేర్ 6a స్క్వేర్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చింది నీకు?
Total surface area.
శ్రేయాన్ నువ్వు క్యూబ్ గురించి మాట్లాడుతున్నావు శ్రేయాన్. ఇది
You're talking about cube, man. He's talking about sphere. He's asking about sphere. చెప్పాలి. వాల్యూమ్ ఏమని చెప్పాను నేను? 4/3 pi r cube అని చెప్పాను.
4/3 pi r cube, sir. 4/3 pi r square surface area means.
What is the surface area?
4/3 pi r
3 pi r cube.
4/3 pi r square. Sir, there.
సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా 4 pi r square.
Yes, sir.
మరి నేను ఏదంటే అది ఎస్ చెప్తాను.
Sir, అదే సార్ నేను ఇందాక అదే చెప్పా కదా సార్.
కాదు, నౌ ఐ జస్ట్ సే సంథింగ్ ఎల్స్. యు సే దట్ ఓన్లీ.
Okay. Sir. This only I am sticking with this.
Look at this. 4 pi r square is equal to 154 beta.
154, sir. 4 into 22 by 7 into r square.
అంత చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ. అంత చేయాల్సిన
Okay.
అవసరం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇక్కడ నాకు 4 pi r square ఏంటి చెప్పండి?
154 by 4.
154 by 4. Okay. Now
Sir, it will be 36.
it can be as what 5 pi r square into r. Can I write like that?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But I need radius here. How come I calculate radius?
Sir, here we will get na 36.
Sir,
Look at this. He has given
we can substitute.
we can sorry.
Sir, here we can substitute pi r square by 154 by 4. Then we can do it.
Yes, look at this here. So how much? 4 by 3 into 154 by 4 into r. Okay now. So 4 will get cancelled. 154 by 3 times of r. This is what the volume I got, but what is the radius? How many? Oh my goodness, 4 members left. 4 members got
We
correct.
only have to find volume, sir.
We need to find volume.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This one, no problem. Okay, right. No. Yes, fine. Hello. Yes. Look at this here. Till what we have done? Yes, we have done this, right? So ikkada manaku radius. How can you find out radius ikkada? Chudandi. Look at this. This is what I got. What is the r square here? From this, what can I find? R square. 154 by 4. Ikkada 22 by 7 kada. Can I find out r here? Beta, देखो ध्यान से
Yeah,
सुनिए.
sir. Yeah.
22 by 7 into r square kada. So r square is equal 154 by 4 into 7 by 22. Sarena? Okay. So 11
7, sir.
11 twos,
So 22 7.
11 fours,
So 7, sir.
2 twos, 2 sevens. So r square is equal to 49 by 4, which means r is equal to what? 7 by 2. Avuna kada?
Yes,
So
sir.
substitute the value here, 154 by 3. R is equal to what? What is r here? 7 by 2.
7 by 2, sir.
So 2 ones, 2 sevens, 2 sevens. Okay, so 77 by 3. 77 by 3 ante manaku approximate ka answer etla guess cheyali manamu? 77 into 7 by 3. Answer etla guess cheyali? Look at this options. What are the options he has given?
Sir, it should be somewhere near
by 3 by 3.
500 something, sir.
Oh, everywhere by 3. Acha, so
500 by 3 something.
if you,
179, sir.
yeah, 560
Sir, we are
nearly
doing
something.
179.
Yeah, 560 is something. If 560 should be there, 560 plus. So here 172, 210. No, it's not possible. A option is not possible.
There'll be 539 by 3, sir.
179, sir.
There'll be 539 by 3.
No, I'm writing around roughly. Okay. So how much you get here?
Sir, we are getting 179.
539 by 3.
539 by 3, which is option 3 is
179.
correct. Option 3 is going to be correct here. Okay. Chalo. That is how we can calculate. Beta,
Yes, sir.
dekho idhar. Guys, he has given. First, you need to find out. Without formula, you can't do anything here. This is a formula. इधर से मैंने radius भी find out कर लिया. फिर इधर जाके मैंने substitute किया सबको. ठीक है? Yes. Next question. So sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio 3:5:7.
Sir,
Right,
this is Heron's formula, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio. Yes. And its perimeter. Oh, very easy. Perimeter means what is S value is going to be? What is S value? Batao.
Sir,
X is equal to D.
300
Sir, 300 by 2, sir.
2,
150.
150. Need not to
Yes, sir.
calculate it again. Perimeter mein half. Semi perimeter is going to be S, right? So S is equal to 300 by 2, which means 150. Now how can you find out the formula? Square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Chalo, you can calculate like that. After that, very simple. Okay na? Andar chestar kada?
Yes.
Will you solve, guys? Everyone. Shall we go for the next question? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Great. Chalo, next question. Area of a triangular park whose sides this much.
So this is
Area.
also Heron's formula, sir.
Heron's
We'll
formula.
be getting
What is the semi perimeter?
384.
Tell me quickly. What is the semi perimeter here? Quickly. 40 plus 32, 72, 72 plus 24, 96, 96 by 2, 48.
Sir, what's the Heron's formula?
Heron's formula నువ్వు
forgot.
Heron's formula నువ్వు నేర్చుకోలేదా సుజయ్?
No, sir, I forgot.
You
I
forgot.
remember them.
Square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c.
So I'll be getting 84 for semi-perimeter.
84, 384. అసలు s అంటే ఏంటిది అక్కడ? సెమీ పెరిమీటర్. పెరిమీటర్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఫస్ట్ పెరిమీటర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ పెరిమీటర్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద పెరిమీటర్? 40 plus 32 plus 24, which gives you what? 96. 96 by 2 gives you s value, which means 48. So 48 into 48 minus 40. 48 into just s value is 48 beta, a value is 40, b value is 32, c value is 24. Direct formula question, direct question. Okay, hope you will solve this question. Shall we go for the next question? Make it fast. We'll solve all the question. Okay, guys, will you be able to solve all the questions? Will you solve this question or not? Or do you want me to teach? Kaji, Akshit, Shrayan, Devasri, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Aditi ji, Aditi, बताओ आप कर लोगे?
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, by using what formula? Aditi ji, by using what formula do you need to calculate this? By using which formula you need to calculate?
This formula.
Aditi, are you here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Aditi లేదు, రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వట్లా. భార్గవ్ జీ ఉన్నాడు. ఎస్ జీవిక, ఆర్ యు హియర్ బేటా? జీవిక జీ, హలో.
Yes, sir.
Tell me which formula we need to use here. How can we solve this question? बताइए. Are you listening the class? Aditi, Jivika?
Yes, sir.
Then which formula? Just now I told, right?
Yes.
Which formula? Heron's formula, isn't it, Jivika? See, Aditi ji, don't text me. I'm talking to you, right? You must talk to me. If you text again, I need to just go for the message box and read your message. That shouldn't happen, right? That should not happen actually. When I'm just talking to you, you must talk. When I'm asking a question physically, like, I'm just asking, right? I'm not texting you, right? I'm not texting you. I'm asking you to respond, then you must respond. Yes, we can use Heron's formula. We can use Heron's formula, which is, what formula is that? What is Heron's formula?
My voice. Actually, I'm getting this.
Yes, Aditi, tell me. Tell me. What formula we can use? How can we solve this question?
So, we can solve this using the Heron's formula.
What is Heron's formula? What is Heron's formula? Jivika, what is Heron's formula? Hello. Okay. Devasri, tell me, what is Heron's formula? Many of you are not responding. Pranav, tell me, Pranav.
Sir, yes.
Can I say?
Sir, can I say?
No, whomever I'm asking, they only must say the answer.
Sir, you asked me, sir. This is Aditi, sir. Actually, I got disconnected.
Yes, tell me, Aditi.
So the Heron's formula is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c by whole root.
By whole root or square root of all this term?
Sorry, sir, square root, I mean.
Square root of, yes, square root of all this stuff, whatever you said. What is
Yes,
yes there? What is yes, Aditi?
So semi-perimeter.
What is semi-perimeter? What is a perimeter here?
So semi-perimeter is perimeter by 2.
Perimeter. What is a perimeter? How do you calculate perimeter? How do you calculate perimeter basically?
The perimeter of triangle is 3a. Like,
नो नो नो, पेरीमीटर इज नथिंग. पेरीमीटर का मतलब क्या होता है? कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे पेरीमीटर को हम लोग? पेरीमीटर का
We
मतलब
will
क्या होता है?
add all the.
Kaji,
so
are
we
you
need,
Kaji, are you Aditi? Did you change your name in recent days? I didn't ask you, right? You can't respond in between. Yes, Aditi, please carry on. Aditi, please carry on. यस, सेमी पेरीमीटर कैसे फाइंड आउट करो? पेरीमीटर का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा? पेरीमीटर का मतलब होता है सब ट्रायंगल होते हैं ना, ट्रायंगल का सब हम लोग सब साइड्स ऐड करेंगे. इफ यू ऐड ऑल द साइड्स
the,
ऑफ द ट्रायंगल, दैट गिव्स यू व्हाट? पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर का मतलब सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. सब साइड्स को ऐड करेंगे तो जो मिलता है वही पेरीमीटर होता है. समझ रहे हो? समझ में आ रहे?
so,
आ रहा है समझ? यस, that is what the perimeter here. Whatever the perimeter you get, in that half is semi perimeter. Yes, is equal to semi perimeter. Substitute in that formula. What is a value, b value, c value here? 40, 32, 24 respectively. Clear? Yes, please follow the class. Yes, guys, will you not able to solve this question? This is what you have learned in 6th standard. 6th standard वाला question है. What is the answer here? बताओ. 3x is equal to 2. So x is equal to what? 2 by 3. Moves हम लोग की ना mind calculation. 125 can be written as 5 cube. 5 cube. 5 cube. So 3 into x. Bases are same. 3x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 3. Mind calculation. People, are you able to understand here? 125 can be written as 5 cube. 5 cube and whole power of x. 5 cube whole power of x can be written as what? 5 to the power of 3x, which is equal to 5 square. So 3x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 3. Very simple. Guys, you know, this type of we will not solve in the class. This is 6th standard question. ठीक है? हाँ, this is, ये भी कुछ बड़ा है क्या ये? So this can be written as what? 64 by 1000. 64 by 1000 can I write?
directly
64.
we can substitute.
Yes, we can substitute directly. देखो, directly that is what you can write. 1000 divided by 64 you will
64.
get. 1000 can be written as what? 10 times of 10 cube. So 10 cube divided by 2 cube. 64 is what? 8, right? So 2 cube. So yes, so 5 by 2 is going to be your answer. You can calculate it very easily, guys. These are all 600 questions. Okay, next. This is also, look at this here. These all like, you know, 6th, 7th standard questions. So 0.57, they have given a line on the 7. So in the form of p by q, where p and q are integer, then q is not equal to 0. Express in the form of p by q. Why? How can you write like that?
Sir, like period and with period periodicities.
How many of you just done this? 7 pairs. 7 members have. Guys, how can you write this? 57 can be written as what? I mean 0.57 can be written as
So
what?
x is equal
Huh?
x is equal to 0.5777, sir.
Yes.
And it is 2 digits.
Hmm.
So 100x is equal to 0.5777.
Yes.
If we like subtract the both equations, getting that.
Yes. Hope it is under, guys. This might have, you know, this your textbook question. I think you might have studied in your class, like, you know, your exercise problems in CRT, guys. Okay.
Yes,
Next.
sir.
Identify the irrational number. इससे कोई like, you know, लड्डू वाला सवाल हो सकता है क्या? दिन का इजी क्वेश्चन है. आइडेंटिफाई द इरेशनल नंबर. 225 कैन बी रिटन एज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 225 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम लोग? 25, isn't it? हाँ, देखो इरेशनल नंबर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो 23 can't be, you know, we can't split 23 not as perfect square, isn't it? So that is going to be your irrational number. Hope it is clear. So that is what the today's class is all about. This is what the today's class. Okay, hope it is clear with everyone. If anyone of you didn't understand, please go and watch this recording again and just try solving that again. If you don't really understand again, just come to the next class and ask me those questions. Hope it is clear. ठीक है बेटा? All right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Then shall we make
Thank
a
you,
move
sir.
now? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day. Goodbye.